Yes, welcome to Excel Logic Pro, where we will learn different functions and the formulas. Today I will teach you how to use the index match function. Index match formula is a combination of two functions in Excel, where Excel returns the value of a cell in a table based on the column and the rows, and the match returns the position of a cell in a row. So match returns the value of a cell, where match returns the position. So this one returns the value, index, and the match returns the position of a cell. Yeah, this formula is used when I want to find either 10 best student from your examination, or last student, or the number with the cell with higher point, with the higher marks or higher value, also the number or the cell with the lowest value. So this index match formula can determine the cell with the highest value and the cell with the lowest value. Yeah. In my example, I have used the student marks. I have student name, I have sex, I have subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, total, and the position. So I want to find out student number 1 up to student number 10. 10 is student who scored the highest marks, and 10 student who scored the lowest marks. Yes. So as I told you that index returns the value of a cell in a given column. So for example, I want to return the first student who scored the highest marks. I use index in this column. Yes. I'll start by saying equal to index, then bracket. I want to return the first name who scored the highest marks from this column, comma, match, then from this column, I want to find student number 1 who scored the highest marks, who is the first position. Then I want to find this number in my column, the first student in this column. Okay, then comma 0. You have to close by using $sign. Close by using $sign. Then press enter. So now, as you can see, this student Faustin 25, whom 25 is the first student with the highest marks than others. This one, where its name is displayed in this one. So this is the first student with the highest marks. Also, the second student is this one, As you can see, this is the second student, this one, where I only find student number 3, this one, yes. Yeah, now I have the name of student. I can find also the subject, their subject marks. So use the same formula, that is equal to index. Now I want to return the marks of subject 1. So use this one, comma, match the same. I want to take the marks of student 1, of the first student who scored the highest marks, this one, comma, position. This one I want to find number 1 from this range, which is position. Then its name, its marks will appear from this column. Comma 0. Then close. Close by using $sign. Okay, then press enter. As you can see, I have closed by $sign behind the letter and between letter and number, so as when I drag right side, it means this column will not change, this one. So that's why I have closed it by using $sign behind the letter. So when I drag right side, this range will not change. But when I drag this column, I want to change to from G to H to I and to J, also K, so as to get subject, marks of subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, total and position. Okay. Then, as you can see, now I have done. So this is a 10 best student. These are 10 best student from my range. So this one is number 1. So when you find the number 1, student is the highest marks. This one, as you can see, this one is the first 25. This one first 25. The first subject is 90 mark, also 60, 66, 92. Total marks is 308, and the position is 1. Also this one, the second student with the highest marks, the first subject is 64, also 93, 80, 65, 302, and so on. Also the third one, this one, and the first marks, the first subject is 34, 82, 96, 77, 299, and the position is 3. So this is how you can find it, or you can calculate 10 last student and 10 best student, or you can find the highest, the student with the highest marks, or the student with the lowest marks. Yes. But let's say I want to take student from number let's say I want to take number 29, number 30, sorry, number 18, number 10, number 20. The 20, 21, yes, as you can see, you can find the student, the position of student number 20, number 21, number 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, as I wrote in the column. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more videos in this channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.